In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder on Google Docs. If you want to keep your documents organized, creating a folder directly while working inside Google Docs is a really simple option. Instead of leaving your file in a general location in Google Drive, you can create a new folder on the spot and move your document into it right away. Start by opening the Google Doc you want to organize. At the top of the document, next to the document name, click the Move icon. This looks like a folder, and it opens the location settings for where your document is stored. This is the tool that lets you place the file into a different folder without leaving the document. Once that menu opens, select all locations. This helps you view the full list of available places in your Google Drive, so you can choose exactly where you want your new folder to be created. Next, go to the location file where you want to place the folder. Double-click the area or folder where you want the new folder to live. This is important because the folder you create will appear inside that selected location. If you want it in your main drive, stay at that level. If you want it inside another folder, open that folder first. After that, look for the new folder icon in the window that appears and click it. This lets you create a brand new folder from inside the Move panel, which saves time and keeps everything in one place. Now, enter a name for your folder. Choose something clear and easy to recognize so you can quickly find it later. Good folder names can make a big difference when you start managing more files. Once you've typed the folder name, click Create. Google Docs will then make the folder in the location you selected. After the folder is created, select that new folder and click Move. This tells Google Docs to place your current document inside the folder you just made. It's a quick way to create structure without having to manually organize the file later in Google Drive. Once you do that, the document will be moved into the newly created folder. That means your file is now stored in a cleaner, more organized location. And that's all there is to it. Creating a folder from within Google Docs is a fast and convenient way to stay organized while you work. If you're managing multiple documents, using folders consistently can make your drive much easier to navigate.